Hello, my name is Kirk Greening. I'm with the Cloud Experts from Xgility, and today I'm here to give you another tip to help you achieve transformational results in your business. Today I'm joined by Kevin Adler, and Kevin is with Metalogix. He's with their state and local government practice. Kevin, thank you for joining me.
You bet.
Kevin, can you briefly introduce yourself and talk a little bit about what you do at Metalogix?
Sure. Thanks for the invitation to join you today. My name is Kevin Adler. I work with the Metalogix team helping state and local customers migrate to the cloud with their content and collaboration that they've invested with Microsoft and realize the value quicker than they would have.
That's awesome, Kevin. And I know that your focus is in the enterprise collaboration and the enterprise content management space. So can you talk to me a little bit about some of the trends that you're seeing in state and local governments in those spaces?
Sure. We are actually working with customers at all sizes, from cities and towns, from states, and actually one is the state of Ohio as an example. They're evaluating the consolidation of their collaboration platforms so that they can focus on their mission and rely more on SharePoint Online and collaboration tools that they've invested with Microsoft.
Okay, that's great. And I know some of the folks are looking at cloud, right? But when I've talked to state and local governments about their plans for cloud, they've got a couple of concerns. One of the biggest concerns is how are they going to get all that content to the cloud? I mean, I know we work personally with the state of New Jersey. They've got a highly customized SharePoint environment, and some of them have terabytes of data, and so they're asking me, hey, the cloud seems interesting, but Kevin, what can folks do if they are looking at the cloud?
Sure. Actually, what we always recommend is, great planning yields great results. So the deeper understanding of your current environment before the migration will yield a much more successful migration once you've deployed to the cloud. And understanding the roadblocks, what obstacles to go around, and how to go around those obstacles with tools and partners is really going to help customers succeed.
Okay, that's great. So I think that you've got the migration question answered, whether we're talking about migration planning or tools to help you get there. But that's not the only concern that I'm hearing from state and local governments as they're evaluating the cloud. I'm also hearing a lot of folks talk specifically about security concerns in the cloud. Are there some things that Metalogix does to address those?
Sure, we have tools. Cloud's come a long way in the dozen or so years. We've got tools that can help customers realize the investments they've made in cloud come to life, where our tools will help to mitigate risks, increase the level of comfort that customers are working with cloud today. And these tools are software that can be deployed transparent to the end user. So the end user is more restrictive about what they can or cannot do putting information into the cloud.
Okay, that's great. I mean, I know that our team has used your product Control Point from a security perspective, and I know that when we're having those security discussions with state and local government, they're bringing up regulations such as CGIS and HIPAA. Can you talk to me a little bit about what Metalogix has done to help state and local governments address some of those concerns?
Sure. Adhering to these requirements is something that we can help customers do with our software in terms of when customers want to put up collaborative platforms and allow their employees to access them. What information does the agency restrict from a collaborative perspective? So for instance, maybe it's social security numbers, maybe it's driver's license information. Whatever the information is can be, social security number is a 9-digit number, but beyond that, using machine learning to really understand the digits, those 9 digits in context of the sentence or the paragraph that it plays in, is really going to help customers get more control of their environment and maybe restrict the information from ever going to the cloud based upon the customer's requirements.
Thank you so much, Kevin, for your time and for your transformational tips. Again, my name is Kirk Greening with the Cloud Experts from Xgility. If you should have additional questions, whether it's around migrating to the cloud or security questions, looking for an audit or an assessment, please reach out to us. You can get to us at info@xgility.com.